Hi guys, it's Layla Tutorials, and today I'm going to be teaching you quite a basic jazz routine. So you can do this dance indoors or outdoors because it doesn't require a lot of space. And so the song is Feel It Still by Portugal the Man, and if you start playing the music at about 20 seconds in, it should give you a few counts before it starts. So first I'm going to show you the dance on its own, and then I'm going to talk it through step by step and go over it with you, and you can just follow along to it and fast forward if you need to at any point, and I hope you enjoy it.
Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel, just no kickstand. I've been feeling it since 1966. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel, just no kickstand. Let me kick it like it's 1986. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed.
So this dance is a kind of stylized jazz, and we're going to start with a bevel, and you'll be mirroring me, so you'll have to dig your right leg into the floor and it will go over your left leg. We go 1, 2, 3 on a low turn, and then we do a flick ball change on 4 and 5 with a bit of arms. And then we go 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 arms, 6, 7, 8, and then we push through. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to bring our arms round to the back. So 1, 2, up, 3. Our left toe is going to our right knee, and our left arm is up and right arm down. We look to the front. So 3 down, 4, and then we're going to go round to our right shoulder. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 runs. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the push, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the very beginning, we go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from there, we're going to go flick to the front, flick to the side, behind, side, front, flick to the front, flick to the side, behind, side, front. So that goes on 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Click to the right, click to the left. On the run round, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Flick, side, behind, side, front. Flick, side, behind, side, front. Click, and then we're gonna go flick, 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 back, front. And that back front is called a ball change. We go click, click, flick, 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 ball change. So from the very beginning, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flick, flick, behind, side, front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click. 2. So after the flick ball change, we're going to go up onto a rise on our left leg, and our right leg is going to come to our left knee, and our arms are going to be in a right angle with our left arm up at the back. So 5, 6 down, 7, 8. And starting on the left leg, we're going to do 2 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do a coupe to go onto the right leg. Come up. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, up, 7, 8. And then our right leg comes up, then our left leg. We're going to put our back arm on our hip, and our front arm's going to click as we step back. So we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then from there, we're going to set back on our back leg, and the front leg's going to do half a circle round. So we're going to do 2 of those, going 1, 2, 3, 4, and our arms just swing like this as if we're running. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to step back onto our leg onto a rise. Go up 5, 6 to the position. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flick, flick behind. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Front, up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, up. Finish.
When I left you, ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. I've been feeling it since 1966. Might be over and out, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks. Let me kick it like it's 1986. Might be over and out, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed.
So I hope you enjoyed that routine. So that is the end of it. And some bits are quite fast and tricky, so once you've nailed it and watched the video and followed along a few times, I've got a few things for you to work on. So the first thing is to make sure you use your shoulders, especially on the showgirl walks, as my mum likes to call it. The second thing is to make sure you stretch your feet really hard on everything whenever they're off the floor. The third thing is to make all your movements sharp that are meant to be sharp. So like at the beginning, these ones, make those movements really sharp and precise. And then fourthly, smile and just have fun with it. Use your face and enjoy.